Okay, we have a jet gap bed engine lathe, model GH2280ZX, serial number 130320ZX2676. This machine was new in 2012 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has 22-inch swing by 80-inch centers with a gap of 29 inches, swing in the gap. Right now we're running it at a low RPM. It has from 25 up to 1800 RPM. It has hardened and ground bedways. You see it has a 3-jaw chuck on it. That was forward and reverse. It's a CAMLOCK D18 spindle with a 3 1/8 inch hole through. You have an accurate 2-axis digital readout. Going a bit faster. You also have a foot brake. Forward and reverse, inch metric threading, thread dial indicator. We're going to speed it up. You also have a drill chuck in the tailstock. We also have a 4-jaw chuck and a faceplate. Going a bit faster. Longitudinal feed, you can see it on the digital readout, Z-axis. The X-axis, cross feed. Okay. Engaging the lead screw. Lead screws turning, half nut, threading. All right, so you've seen it feed and thread. Tailstock. The tailstock is number 5 Morse taper with 6 inches of travel. You also have the 4-jaw chuck and the faceplate there. You want to do one higher speed before we go. Again, the foot brake. You have a micrometer carriage stop. There we go. And a higher speed. Machine's quiet. Thank you for watching our video.